Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's break down urllib3 1.26.15-4.1.xcpng8.3.src.rpm and how to use urllib3 in Python, focusing on concepts relevant to version January 26, 15. The 1.26.15-4.1.xcpng8.3 part is the RPM versioning information, while the core part is understanding urllib3 itself. I'll provide example code as well. Understanding urllib3 1.26.15-4.1.xcpng8.3.src.rpm. *urllib3*. This is a powerful, user-friendly HTTP client library for Python. It's designed to handle many of the complexities of making HTTP requests, such as connection pooling, thread safety, file uploads, retries, and more. It's a foundational library used by higher-level libraries like requests. *1.26.15*. This is the version number of the urllib3 library itself. It indicates a specific release of the library. *4.1.xcpng8.3*. This is the RPM release number. It tells us that this specific build of urllib3 1.26.15 is the fourth build, iteration, for a distribution named xcpng8, and further specifies a sub-release within that distribution. The xcpng8 part likely refers to a Citrix xenserver, xcp-ng, version 8 distribution, but without knowing the specific system you are working on, the details about how this version is packaged may be harder to understand in a completely specific context. *src.rpm*. The suffix indicates that this is a source RPM. Instead of containing precompiled binaries that are ready to run, it contains the source code, build scripts, and other files needed to build the library from scratch on a compatible system. Building from source is often done to optimize for a specific platform or to apply custom patches. *RPM*. Red Hat Package Manager is a package management system used by many Linux distributions, including Red Hat, Fedora, CentOS, and their derivatives. RPMs are archives that contain software, along with metadata like dependencies, version information, and installation instructions. *koji*. This often refers to a build system, commonly used for building RPM packages. It could be an internal build system. Implications of working with an SRPM. You generally wouldn't directly use the SRPM. Instead, you would use the build tool, or similar, to unpack the SRPM, apply any desired patches, and then build the library into a standard binary RPM. The binary RPM is what you would then install with yum or DNF, or RPMI. In a typical workflow, you would rarely interact with an SRPM unless you have a specific reason to modify the source code of the library or need to build it for a platform that doesn't have a pre-built RPM available. Using urllib3, focusing on relevant concepts for version January 26, 15. Now, let's focus on using the urllib3 library in your Python code. I will provide code examples that demonstrate the typical usages of this library. Explanation of the code. 1. Import urllib3 * imports the library. 2. urllib3.disable _warnings, *. This disables warnings about SSL/TLS verification. Important *. You should never disable SSL verification in production environments unless you have a very good reason and understand the security implications. Instead, you should properly configure SSL certificate verification. 3. HTTP = urllib3.pool-manager, * creates a pool manager instance. The pool manager handles connection pooling, which improves performance by reusing connections. For http.request, get https://www.example.com * makes a GET request to the specified URL. The request method is the core function for making HTTP requests. 5 response.status * gets the HTTP status code, example 200 for success, 404 for not found, 500 for server error. 6 response.data * gets the response body as bytes. You'll often need to decode this to a string using response.data.decode, UTF-8, or another appropriate encoding. 7 error handling * the try, except blocks are crucial for handling potential errors, such as *urllib3.exceptions.max retry error, indicates that urllib3 tried to retry the request multiple times, due to connection problems, etc., but failed. *urllib3.exceptions.ssl error, indicates problems with SSL certificates. *exception, catches other potential exceptions. 8 post requests *. *http.request, post, https://hpbin.org/post, body equals, makes a post request with a string as the request body. You'll need to set the content type header accordingly. *http.request, post, https://hpbin.org/post, fields equals field 1, value 1, makes a post request, encoding the data as application/xwww formerly encoded, like a standard HTML form. 9 file uploads * the fields parameter is used to simulate a form with a file upload. You need to provide a tuple for the file field, file name, file data, content _ type. 10 proxies * the commented out code shows how to use a proxy server. You create a proxy manager and then use it to make requests. You will have to uncomment it and change to your proxy settings to run it. Key concepts and considerations, relevant to January 26, 15. Connection pooling * urllib3 automatically manages a pool of connections to improve performance. The pool manager handles this for you. Thread safety * urllib3 is generally thread safe, meaning you can use it safely in multi-threaded applications. *SSL/TLS verification * as mentioned earlier, always verify SSL certificates in production unless you have a very specific reason not to. Here's how to do it properly. This code specifies the CA bundle, a file containing trusted root certificates, to use for verification. The cert_rex equals required setting forces certificate verification. Retries * urllib3 handles retries automatically for certain types of errors, example connection refused. You can configure the retry behavior if needed. Timeouts * you can set timeouts to prevent requests from hanging indefinitely. Headers * you can set custom headers for your requests. Headers are specified as a dictionary. Streaming * for large responses, you can use streaming to read the data in chunks. This prevents you from loading the entire response into memory at once. Relationship to requests library. The requests library is built on top of urllib3. Requests provides a higher level, more user-friendly API. While urllib3 gives you fine-grained control, requests often simplifies common tasks. Example, using requests, for comparison. Notice how a request simplifies things. You don't need to create a pool manager explicitly. You access the response body directly as response.text. Error handling is often more concise. In summary, urllib3 is a powerful and flexible HTTP client library that provides fine-grained control over HTTP requests. While the requests library offers a higher-level API, understanding urllib3 is useful when you need more control or when you're building libraries that rely on HTTP. Always prioritize security, especially SSL/TLS verification, and handle errors gracefully. Remember that urllib3 1.26.15-4.1.xcpng8.3.src.rpm refers to a source package, and you would typically build and install it from source if you need a specific build tailored to your environment.